Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. JetBlue updates, Boeing news and Etihad expansion. Boeing's ongoing 737 MAX issues. Boeing continues to face challenges with its 737 MAX aircraft. The company has been working to address safety concerns and regain trust from airlines and passengers following two fatal crashes in 2018 and 2019. Recent inspections have revealed additional manufacturing defects in some 737 MAX planes, leading to further scrutiny and potential delivery delays. JetBlue's expansion plans. JetBlue Airways has announced significant expansion plans, including new routes and increased frequencies on existing routes. The airline is focusing on strengthening its presence in key markets such as New York, Boston, and Florida. JetBlue is also exploring opportunities to expand its international network, particularly in the Caribbean and Latin America. Etihad Airways network growth. Etihad Airways, the national airline of the United Arab Emirates, is pursuing an ambitious growth strategy. The carrier is adding new destinations to its network and increasing frequencies on popular routes. Etihad is particularly focused on expanding its presence in Asia and Europe, leveraging its strategic location in Abu Dhabi as a global hub. Boeing's 777X program progress. Despite facing delays, Boeing's 777X program is moving forward. The company is conducting flight tests and working towards certification for this next-generation wide-body aircraft. Airlines are eagerly awaiting the 777X, which promises improved fuel efficiency and passenger comfort compared to its predecessors. JetBlue's fleet modernization. JetBlue is in the process of modernizing its fleet, with a focus on fuel-efficient aircraft. The airline has placed orders for Airbus A220 and A321neo aircraft, which will gradually replace older models in its fleet. This modernization effort aims to reduce operating costs and improve the airline's environmental footprint. Etihad's sustainability initiatives. Etihad Airways has been at the forefront of sustainability efforts in the aviation industry. The airline has launched several initiatives to reduce its carbon footprint, including the use of sustainable aviation fuels and the implementation of more efficient operational practices. Etihad is also partnering with various organizations to research and develop new technologies for sustainable air travel. Boeing's focus on freighter aircraft. With the growth of e-commerce and global trade, Boeing has seen increased demand for its freighter aircraft. The company is developing new freighter versions of its popular models, including the 777X freighter. This focus on cargo aircraft helps Boeing diversify its product portfolio and capitalize on the booming air freight market. JetBlue's partnership strategies. JetBlue has been actively pursuing partnerships and alliances to expand its reach and offer more options to customers. The airline has formed a strategic partnership with American Airlines, allowing for codeshare agreements and reciprocal loyalty program benefits. JetBlue is also exploring potential partnerships with international carriers to enhance its global network. Etihad's premium product enhancements. To compete in the lucrative premium travel market, Etihad Airways is investing in enhancing its premium cabin products. The airline is introducing new seat designs, improved in-flight entertainment systems, and enhanced onboard services for its first and business class passengers. These upgrades aim to attract high-yield customers and strengthen Etihad's position as a leading luxury airline. Industry-wide focus on technology and innovation. Boeing, JetBlue, and Etihad, along with the broader aviation industry, are increasingly focusing on technology and innovation to improve operations and customer experience. This includes investments in artificial intelligence for predictive maintenance, blockchain for more efficient supply chain management, and advanced data analytics to optimize route planning and fuel consumption. These developments highlight the dynamic nature of the aviation industry, with airlines and manufacturers constantly adapting to changing market conditions, technological advancements, and evolving customer expectations. Boeing's efforts to address safety concerns and develop new aircraft models, JetBlue's expansion and fleet modernization plans, and Etihad's focus on network growth and sustainability initiatives all reflect the industry's ongoing evolution and commitment to improvement. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.